guys, so this is part 2 of how to customize your iPhone ringtone. First, what you're going to do is download GarageBand and YouTube. You're going to go to YouTube, find the song that you want to use as your ringtone. You want to click on it, click share and copy link. Next, you're going to go to Safari and then you're going to type in convert YouTube to MP3. You're going to click on that. You're going to go down to the third link, click there. Then you're going to paste in the link that you just copied. Now this is going to take a minute. Okay, after it's downloading, you're going to click on download and download again, and you're going to see it downloaded in the top right or left. Next, you're going to click on that, click on download, and you're going to see the song that you downloaded to your files. Next, you're going to go to GarageBand and swipe over to audio recorder. You're going to click there. Click OK. Next, you're going to click on this filled in grid at the top left. After that, you're going to click on this blue triangle, and then you're going to click on this loop. So when you click there, you're going to click Files, then you're going to click Browse, and you're going to see the link that you downloaded. You're going to click there. It's going to show up here. Next, you're going to hold on it and drag it to the player. Then next, you're going to go ahead and click on the fill triangle. Click My Song. Then you're going to hold down on the song and click Rename. So we're going to rename this song as Lil Baby. Click Done. Baby, click Done. Then you're going to click on it again. Then you're going to click Share. Now this is going to send the file to your ringtone list. You're going to click on Ringtone. Click Export. Okay, so it's saying that this file is already existing, so I can't export it. But you're going to go over to your ringtones in settings. You're going to go to sound and haptics, and it's going to show up in your ringtone list, as you can see here. So, and then okay, so that's how you customize your iPhone ringtone. If you like this video, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
How to make your ringtone anything. Choose Selected Audio.
Don't even have the mic anymore, but don't even have the